just made this curry puff. See? With the chicken inside. This is my favorite. She made the best. Look at her. She's preparing it. And this is the dough. And this is the inside, the filling that has chicken, you know, potato, black pepper, like savory. It's my favorite.
เขาฝากไว้แม่กระจาง250 อันผลิตก็เลยขึ้นมาจับ
I will happy to see my guests enjoy the snack that I offer them. She doesn't make it every day early, so today's special, so I'm gonna get one. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10 อัน ขอแขกดู
พอดีเลยดีกัน
จ้ะ demonstrate. I got some of this. This is gonna be my treat, so I buy for you guys. She's fresh on, and she's make the best in town here. I love her. บอกอร่อยที่สุดในเมืองนี้ละ อร่อยมาก อร่อยมาก เป็น delicious อร่อยมาก If you say อร่อยมาก then is it good? But you say very good, you say อร่อยมาก อร่อยมาก Oh wow.
Oh wow yeah
You just made it. Inside has potatoes, curry powder, the yellow curry powder, but different than yellow curry powder that you have in Europe or in America. I will show you at the shop. Because today this kind of yellow curry powder add in yellow curry that you can choose today. Tasty, no?
อร่อยอ่ะ
อร่อยขึ้นไหมคะ